to Manon's Little Kitchen. This is part of our Valentine series. So today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious salmon in a papillote, so you just steam, with some vegetables and some wholemeal rice with a dill and cream and lemon. So the first thing we're going to do is going to cook the rice. So I have 200 grams of wholemeal rice that I have rinsed and soaked a little bit. And what we're going to do is you need double the amount of water for wholemeal rice. So I'm just using the same container. 1 pinch of salt. Okay, so I have my rice and my water and my salt in here. So what's happening now is I'm gonna bring it to boil, and then when it's boiling, I'm gonna reduce the heat to a low simmer for about 25 minutes. My rice is cooking now. I have courgette, carrots, some leeks, some little mushrooms, and I'm just going to prepare all my vegetables and ready to add to the papillote. I'm using my peeler to make some little ribbon, so then it's easier to cook and it's going to steam quicker. My vegetables are ready, they're all cut nicely down, and now I'm going to show you how I make the papillote. So I just have some, tin foil, a splash of olive oil, just because you don't want anything to stick to the bottom, and essentially I'm just going to start placing the vegetables. So that's what we call a julienne, which is a lot of vegetables cut in small. So you see how good that looks. And because it's in the tin foil, it's just going to steam all nicely together with the fish. It's actually a dish that Mum would do quite often as a main or starter at home, because it's just super quick and super easy to make. And once you've done your papillote, you have nothing else to do with it. Okay, so these are all my vegetables. I'm going to cut a little bit of dill. Scissors, fresh dill. Perfect. Salt, pepper. Always which way? Salt and pepper, pinch of salt. Oh, I'm going to add a tiny bit more olive oil on top because it's good. Okay, then I'm going to take the salmon, so you just put it on top like this. And same here, I have some lemon, just a little squeeze of lemon on top. I have some garlic that I diced earlier as well, because everything tastes better with garlic. A little bit of salt, and just a little bit of dill on top here. And I also like to have just a slice of lemon on the top here. And voila! So now you just have to make sure to close it good. So you have to leave some space on top to make sure that it's really close to here. I just turn it like this. And then this other one. I have a tray, baking tray. In the tray, 15 minutes at 180 degrees. I have also made a very quick dill and crème fraîche recipe. So here there's about 2 tablespoons of crème fraîche, half the juice of a lemon, some dill, some salt and some pepper. So these have been in the oven for 15 minutes and now they're like perfect. Okay. Some rice, now it's all nice and cooked. Portion of rice. And this is our dill sauce that I'm just going to put on the rice. Merde, I need to wash up the rice. Okay, stop.
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, recipe is in the description. Subscribe, like, comment. Bisous!